If you've been wondering how to set up SuiteDash for online payments and subscriptions, then you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can start using this powerful tool effectively. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'll not only show you how to set everything up, but also introduce some alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your business needs. Now, let's dive into SuiteDash. First thing you want to do is sign up and get into your dashboard. If you've already done this, great. If not, go ahead and create an account. Once you're in, you'll need to set up your payment gateway. This is where SuiteDash shines. It integrates with a variety of payment processors, but the most common ones are PayPal and Stripe. Next thing you'll do is link your payment processor. Head to the Settings menu, click on Payments, and then select the provider you want to use, PayPal, Stripe, or others. You'll need to enter your API keys or account details, which is super simple if you've used these services before. Once your payment gateway is connected, you'll want to create a subscription plan. This is where SuiteDash allows you to set up different tiers for your subscribers. Click on Subscriptions from the main menu and select Add New Plan. From here, you can define the subscription type, whether it's a one-time fee, recurring monthly, or annual payments. You can set the price, currency, and even customize your subscription's billing intervals. The fourth thing you'll do is customize your invoice templates. SuiteDash allows you to create and automate invoice generation, which is perfect for businesses who need to streamline this part of their workflow. Head over to the Invoices tab, select a template, and customize it with your logo, contact information, and any specific terms or conditions you need. Next up, let's talk about automating the payment process. One of the best features of SuiteDash is the automation you can set up for payment reminders. You don't have to manually chase after clients anymore. Go into your payment settings and set up email reminders for overdue payments or upcoming billing cycles. This helps you keep your cash flow steady. Now, let's shift gears. While SuiteDash offers solid functionality for online payments and subscriptions, it's not always the easiest to use, especially when it comes to customization and the user interface. Some people find it a bit clunky, and if you're not tech-savvy, setting everything up could be a bit overwhelming. This leads me to my next point. There are some competitors that do the same thing but might.